Premium paper napkins, package of 20 premium 3-ply paper napkins. Sized for cocktail parties and beverages, napkins measure 5 by 5 inches, folded size, use when enjoying party snacks, ideal under drinks to protect tabletops. Enhance table decor with festive napkins, creamy white napkin with watercolor style design of birds perched among subtle script and patterns. Soft yet strong, 3-ply paper napkins are printed in Germany with non-toxic, water-based ink. Easy to coordinate, look for matching napkins in additional sizes from Ideal Home Range by Boston International. Entertain in style when celebrating Easter, birthdays, Mother's Day, bridal showers, luncheons and everyday dining. 20-count napkins measure 5 by 5 inches, ideal when enjoying drinks, put under drinks to protect tabletops. Create dynamic tables, capes and stunning place settings by pairing Ideal Home Range patterned napkins with matching plates and coordinating solids. Plates and napkins are offered in multiple sizes, allowing you to mix and match, layer and customize. For weddings and cocktail parties to summer BBQs and everyday use, choose from a variety of designs just right for your next event or get-together. Ideal Home Range offers a sustainable option for conscientious consumers. Napkin tissue is 100% cellulose from cracked wood, fallen trees, and plantation wood, managed forests where trees are planted specifically for the production of paper materials, and all tissue is oxygen bleached without the use of chlorine. IHR ink is water-soluble, contains no heavy metals or solvents of any kind and meets the requirements of German food and health laws and the USFDA. Ideal Home Range is exclusively represented in the United States by Boston International and is considered to be the international market leader and trendsetter in the field of high-class table decoration and interior accessories. Top reviews from the United States. Lovely. These are beautifully made and the design is precious as well as lovely. They could be framed. I am happy with them. I have see-through plastic holders for cocktail napkins, so they can be used again and again and continually give me pleasure.